Hello guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and although the S9 and S9 Plus have been out for a couple weeks now, you might have seen a lot of unboxings on YouTube, but you haven't seen an unboxing from me. Therefore, no unboxings exist because, only until I do it. Whenever I got my S6, I didn't have a YouTube channel, so I couldn't upload it, and I didn't even make an unboxing video, so what am I talking about? But I probably would have. I don't get new phones until every 2 or 3 years. I also don't believe in upgrading your phone every year. It creates more waste, and it's better to wait until your phone isn't supported, or wait until you really need a new phone. I got this because my old phone did suffer, which I made a whole video about, from a crack. And I'm going to stop rambling. I'm not going to ramble as much in this video, but long story short, S9 is here. If you do want to hear the whole story about my S6, video to that will be linked in the description below. It's a great phone, it still works, I'm recording off it right now, but got an upgrade, so that'll be pretty good. And there's a lot of new features like a better camera, better display, IP68 water resistant, which means, it's resistant to some water. You got micro SD card expansion, a faster processor, it's going to be updated for longer. A lot of great features. Because I've got my S6 Edge Plus recording, I can't show you side by side. I will take a couple pictures of the phone side by side and then show you, but I'm going to open it up to actually see the phone myself and get first impressions. So this is like an unboxing and first impressions. So I have taken off the address for safety reasons. It came in this box. It is a little bit heavy. It's not like super heavy, obviously, but it is a fair bit heavier. Maybe a little bit more than I expected it to be, but I don't know what I expected. It's a phone. So this is pretty exciting. For me at least. Others may have already seen it, but that's not the point. So I did get lilac purple, 64GB. My current phone has 32GB, so that is a good upgrade. I've never fully ran out of storage on my current phone, but 64 is still good because I have sort of came close to it with the amount of videos I record. I do delete them afterwards whenever I've got them on my Mac. And I do take a lot of pictures, so 64 is good, and also has micro SD card expansion, like I mentioned, if I ever need more storage. I am greeted with the black box that the phone comes in, and this, which is kind of like a receipt. It's a receipt describing the phone and stuff like that, and the amount it costs, so I'm not going to show that. Although I'm showing off my phone, I don't want to, I don't want to flex too much. I am excited. Here's the box. Pretty decent condition box, but it says S9, Galaxy S9. It says in the bottom the color is lilac purple, if you can see that. And it's built in the American way, but I'm sure this is the British box, of course, because we got it from a company from here, so It tells you in the back the specifications. It does have a stereo speakers. My current phone is one speaker in the bottom. This is a speaker in the bottom and a speaker beside the earpiece, I think. It gives you all the information. Does obviously support wireless charging. I actually got a fast wireless charger. The video where I done an Easter haul will be coming soon. I got a lot of cool stuff. This is pretty exciting because I am a Galaxy user, European SIM card only. I'm trying to show the box as much as I possibly can before I open it. This is really exciting. This is my S6 box. It is in decent condition, but the back is a little bit beat up. But it's basically similar in terms of telling you specifications and saying the name of the box. Very simplistic packaging. But we are going to open it as carefully as possible because I do like to keep boxes in case anything goes wrong or whatever the case may be. take it off. Samsung. And it lifts off like this. Whoa! Samsung Galaxy S9. Very professional indeed. In terms of this review, this unboxing. Okay, so first off, you're greeted, if I could talk, you're greeted with this. Doesn't come with any Samsung stickers, you know. It comes with a quick start guide and a SIM removal tool, which also comes with other phones, so that's good. It also comes with the phone itself. Whoa! This actually feels a little bit smaller than my current phone, which would be good in terms of like holding it, and it is actually very good in terms of holding the phone. I'm really excited, as you can tell, USB-C port, a headphone jack. I use wireless, but it is what it is, and a speaker. The speaker design is different. And in the back, it's got a single camera because it's not the Plus. Dad couldn't really find the Plus, and this is still pretty good in terms of handling and stuff. And it's still got a good camera, fingerprint sensor. It still has the goddamn fingerprint sensor. iPhone 10 is good, but it doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, which is an iffy thing for me. And let's try to peel this off in a way that people like it. People really like hearing the peel. Let's try my best with my unprofessionalness to get a good peel. Oh, that's a decent peel. And here's a peel. So there's a sticker on the back, which should have just, in my opinion, been on this. But it is a really comfortable hold. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a phone case yet, but of course we will be getting one if I learnt anything from my current phone, which is still a good phone. I'm not gonna... Should I turn it on? Do you want me to turn it on? I think you guys would want me to turn it on. I'm turning it on. Wasn't sure, but I will. Oh, vibration. Samsung Galaxy S9, powered by Android. Samsung is really sexy, guys. It is really, you get that on. You get like a wee flash. I do like flash notifications. You get minimal bezels. You can still see them, but they're minimal. And I'm not setting this up yet. I do need, 73%. Hi there. So it's a really, really nice ass design. But that is unfortunately all I want to do. Just wanted to show you the screen. Really is good in terms of holding and stuff. But I will lock that for now because I don't want to further go into the process. I want to wait until a little bit later. And it is what it is. But there's also plastic wrap around the edges. If I can pick that up. That is plastic peel that you have to peel off around the edges. If you get this phone, just beware that you get the plastic around the edges of the device. Just something else I want to try and add to be as transparent as possible in this video. We also have, I forgot about other stuff we've got in here. I thought this was a phone case, but it's not. I really wish it did come with a phone case because it'll be handy. This is just like a cardboard cutout of what I think where the phone was in. The phone I believe to be in here. Yeah, the phone cradles in like that. I will, because it's an unboxing, show you the other stuff. This is an adaptive fast charger. If I can find my current fast charger here. The only difference is the color, really. Seems pretty similar. 9.5. The voltage seems to be the same. The voltage seems to be the same. I'm not sure. I'm not really too sure about how faster it takes to charge or anything like that. Not sure about that yet, but there are, of course, things. I'm not sure. Obviously, I'm not sure because I haven't, used it yet, obviously. But I'm not sure also because In terms of reviews, I don't think I have really heard a definite answer or a definite thing of how long it takes to charge. There is a bit of wear and tear on top of this, but it still works flawlessly. It still charges, adaptive fast charging. One of the problems with this phone over time is the depletion of the battery. Let's try and... Oh, taking that off, that nice. Altogether, just slides off. So that's nice. Oh, it also comes with this, which is a USB-A to micro USB connector, meaning you, especially if you want to transfer from an older device, peel it off like this, like this, like this. There we go, and it slides out. So what you do is you use an older cable if you have one, put it in here. I'm sure you all know how to do that. And you can transfer data from the older device to the newer device. Okay, you can transfer your data between there, meaning the stuff you've got in your phone. Oh, this is a micro USB to USB-C. I'm not sure if this works with the virtual reality headset. In terms of micro USB to USB-C, I want to make sure this is micro USB. So I've got the two adapters on the cable. I want to try and keep them as safe as possible, so I'll do something with it. And there's another section. This is the AKG tuned headset, meaning I think Samsung acquired this company, meaning they bought it. I'm not sure, but maybe they just teamed up with each other. AKG produces good quality like speakers and music. So they're tuned. Also on the phone with a new speaker, it's tuned by AKG and got Dolby Atmos support. What that means to the audio is better. This is one of the best sounding earpieces you'll get, or headset or ear set with any phone. Samsung kept the headphone jack. This is like them backing up their reasoning for keeping the headphone jack. This is good. I use wireless earbuds. I did show you them. They have held up very well. Here they are. So I do use wireless. I believe in wireless. I also have a wireless charger, like I said, but we'll see how that goes. This is just packaging material. Yay! Guys, silly me. Let me just get it. Silly me. I said it was packaging material, this. Oh, no. It's ear tips. It's ear tips for the ear... I was going to throw this out. I was going to throw these out. They're different, like, ear tips. There's, like, a smaller one, larger one for the AKG, tuned ear. If you get these, please don't throw it out. It isn't, packaging material. I'm glad I looked at this side of it. Sorry guys, correction, that they're ear tips. I probably will try these out even though I use wireless. I'll still have these and use these, but they're ear tips. This is the USB-C to USB-A cable. I love USB-C. I think USB-C is the future because it's got faster transfer speeds. It's a newer cable, newer technology. And I believe that is all that is in the box, unless I'm missing, like, there's a £100 note or something. But anyway guys, I'm really excited to try out this new phone. So it does seem a little bit smaller than my current phone, a little bit easier to hold, but we'll have to see. If you do want a review, tell me in the comments below if you have any like suggestions, or you want to add anything, you want to say what phone you have, whatever the case may be, add all that in the comments below. I will be getting a case, I will be getting protection, don't worry about that, that will be coming soon. And my thoughts up to now, this seems like a good place to get used to, the fingerprint sensor. I love the colour. It is better to see it in real life. And in terms of handling, the phone is, although it's 5.8 inches, it's a bigger screen. It is a lot shorter, a bit like taller, but I will do side by side and add it in the video. As you can see, the S9 is a little bit shorter, but I think it's pretty tall as well, and the display is of course bigger. The fingerprint sensor of course is moved, and there are some slight other differences as well. But anyway guys, that is it. The Infinity display is pretty good. It is a pretty good design. I do love it. And that's all I've got to say. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for your time on this channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for sticking with the video, sticking with the channel. I'm really excited for this new phone. Don't upgrade every year, but so far, first impressions, good screen, nice compact design. The Plus has got a dual camera, bigger battery. Some people may want to go for that, but I'm happy with my current S9, or my new S9. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to add what phone you have or anything, do all that in the comments below. I will see all you in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace, peace. Possibly the best feature of the S9 is the emojis. Absolutely amazing. I am a bunny. It's great. Da-da-da! Yeah!